Hello, this is Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club, and we're going to be taking a look at this 2009 Chevy Traverse. This is a one-owner car. Lived its whole life in Idaho, local car here. The odometer has just under 134,000 miles on it. Other than it being an LTZ, what makes this one unique is that it has less than 10 miles on a brand new 3.6 V6 engine. The original engine failed, so our mechanics here put in a brand new Chevy 3.6, and that does come with a 3-year 100,000 mile warranty from Chevy. So major work was done to get this one up and rolling, but the rest of the car is in excellent condition. So not only do you have a brand new engine with 0 miles, full warranty on a 2,000 mile for that engine, it really is in excellent shape. One owner, top tier. So this is a really smart car if you're looking for a people mover. I just purchased a brand new car, and I wish I would have waited a couple weeks for this one to get done, because it is everything you're looking for, but about 30 grand less than I just spent. So smart money here. It's completely loaded with the LTZ. So you've got everything from, of course, all your safety features, dual front airbags, and then side curtain airbags all the way down. And then you've got your airbags in your front seats as well. So all outboard occupants are covered by that side airbag. But tons of features. You've got a full leather interior, memory driver's seat. You've got power folding mirrors, so if you have a tight garage, you can just, or in your tight spot, you can just fold those back from the cockpit. Power liftgate, which I like, and I like more that the controls for both opening and shutting. I've owned plenty of vehicles where you can open them from the interior but not shut them, so that way if a kid doesn't reach up and grab that, if you're in the driver's seat or passenger, you can get that shut as well. So the interior is in excellent condition, non-smoking, everything from the carpets to the rubber mats, all the leather seats, there's no rips or tears, anything like that. And those are heated as well as cooled seats. So it just keeps on getting nicer as you get in here. Auto lamps, which is nice. You do have dual roofs, power sliding on that one. And the second one is fixed. And it is a full all-wheel drive SUV, so you've got the racks on top. You've got tow package down below if you want to pull a light trailer, reverse sensing, backup camera, factory XM, as well as Sirus, so if you want tunes, factory DVD. I'll show you the headrest. So easy access to the third row. Just fold that. And you can just have the kids scurry around the captain's chairs, or you do have that really big wide opening into that third row. And then you can go fully fold flat. Power liftgate. There's your camera. Headrests automatically flip over. That seat fully folds flat as well. So you've got a really big, wide and long cargo carrying capacity as well. So headsets are back there. Remote tri-zone climate control. So that covers the back as well as driver, passenger. And you do have controls back here as well. Factory DVD. The wheels are gorgeous. Tires have tons of tread on it. Other than just the new engine, our mechanics went through this. So of course you've got new fluids, new battery, and lots of little other things that they found. So this car is completely sorted, ready to roll. There's a good look at those seats. So you have no stitching popping out. Gorgeous dash. And I'm missing tons of other features on this car. You can give me a call here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. I'm Shep, 208-721-1973. If you're looking for a all-wheel drive family cruiser, this is really smart money. It's not going to last long. Once again, Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club, 208-721-1973, and thanks for watching.